So for question 3, we are supposed to prepare the ledger accounts. But before we go ahead and prepare the ledger accounts, it'll be a good thing to actually determine the double entries for each of the following transactions. So let's start off on 1st March. The business had the following balance extracted from its books. So when you see this Jeremiah trade receivable 1st March, you know that this is a balance brought down on the first day of the financial year. Okay, so for the month of March, we had the following transactions. So the March 4th, we sold goods at a list price. Original price 1540 on credit to Jeremiah. However, a trade discount of 10% was given. So you just need to determine how much did you sell to Jeremiah, which is the rest of the 90%. So in this case, 90% times 1540, this gives me 1386. Alright, so when you make a sale on credit, you will debit your trade receivable Jeremiah, and you will credit your sales revenue 1386, 1386. Okay, so I'm just going to write this in full. Sales revenue. Alright, you paid $800 for advertising by check. So when you pay for an expense, you will debit the expense. In this case, it's advertising. Right, and then I will credit my cash at bank, $800. Jeremiah returned goods with a list price of $120. That means the goods that he returned has an original price of $120. Alright, so when someone returns us goods, we will debit our sales returns, and Jeremiah does not owe us so much anymore. Okay, but what is the amount? It is not $120 because on March 4, don't forget that we gave Jeremiah a 10% trade discount. So when you buy goods with a discount, when you return them, you also return at the discounted price. So we will take $120 times 90%. So the goods that are being returned is $108. Okay, this one, receive cash, so debit my cash in hand, 420 for my rent income, credit my rent income, 420. Last one, Jeremiah settled the amount owing on 1st March. He was given a cash discount of 2%. So he owes us $3,200, but he's not paying us $3,200 because we gave him a 2% discount. So what he's going to pay us is he is only going to pay us 98%. The other 2% is what we call a discount allow, because we allow a discount. Okay, so debit cash at bank, he is only going to pay us 3136. How do I get 3136? You just take 98% times $3,200, and then the balance is what we call a discount allowed. That is 2%, which is $64. And then of course Jeremiah goes down, he decreases by $3,200.